Searching for the best ETL tool? Picture this. You roll out a new ETL platform. Data starts flowing by lunch. 3 months later, someone forwards you the invoice. It is nowhere close to what you budgeted. Nobody added a pipeline, nothing changed, your data simply grew. That's one of the biggest reasons companies start evaluating ETL alternatives. It's almost never the connectors. The problem is the pricing model, hiding in plain sight. Bill by the row, and a demo that looked cheap turns expensive the moment your data picks up speed. Then there's another question. When a pipeline breaks at 2 in the morning, who's responsible for fixing it? That's where ETL platforms begin to separate themselves. So, what is the best ETL tool for growing teams in 2026? The answer depends less on features and more on who gets to build and own your data pipelines. Let us break down where each platform fits. The ETL market is crowded, with platforms like Talend, Stitch, Informatica, AWS Glue, and Hevo all serving different needs. We picked 4 of the best tools in the market that represent the approaches most teams compare today. Integrate.io. Integrate.io is a low-code ETL and ELT platform built so the people closest to the data can build and own their pipelines, without waiting on engineering and without standing up a complex data stack. Whether you have no engineers or simply can't get engineering time when you need it, the flow is yours. Pipelines are built in a visual interface, backed by more than 220 built-in transformations instead of custom code. You can even describe a pipeline in plain English. And AI builds it into a real pipeline that's reproducible, auditable, and easy to modify. Rather than relying on separate products for ETL, ELT, reverse ETL, and change data capture, Integrate.io brings those capabilities together in a single platform. Reverse ETL is included, so teams can move data into a warehouse for analytics and then send enriched customer or business data back into applications like Salesforce and HubSpot. It uses flat fee pricing, so costs stay predictable as your data volumes grow. And remember the 2 in the morning question? Every plan includes a dedicated solutions engineer with support that answers in about 2 minutes. You're never fixing a broken pipeline alone. Fivetran. Fivetran has become one of the most popular ETL tools because it minimizes maintenance. Connector updates, schema changes, and pipeline reliability are largely handled for you. It's a strong fit for data teams that want quick, reliable connectivity and are comfortable handling transformations in SQL. So, why are companies looking for Fivetran alternatives? The biggest drawback is pricing. Because Fivetran uses an aggressive, usage-based pricing model, costs rise significantly as your data volumes grow. Airbyte. Airbyte is an open-source ELT platform with one of the largest connector libraries available. Teams can self-host Airbyte for full control over their pipelines. That flexibility makes it an excellent choice for organizations with strong in-house engineering. Is Airbyte better than Fivetran? If your priority is customization and open-source flexibility, Airbyte often wins. If your priority is managed pipelines with minimal operational effort, Fivetran is usually the better fit. Matillion. Matillion is a managed ETL and transformation platform built for enterprise and data engineering teams, with close integrations across Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, BigQuery, and Databricks. It pairs a visual interface with SQL and Python, so technical users get a commercial, supported tool while keeping code-level control. It's best for engineering-heavy teams that want a managed solution with code-driven flexibility. Now, the question is, how do you choose the right ETL platform? Small teams often prioritize ease of use. Large enterprises usually care more about governance, scalability, and reliability. Engineering-heavy organizations often prefer open-source ETL tools. And many teams, at any size, simply want to reduce operational complexity and own their pipelines without depending on engineering for every change. This is why Integrate.io stands out as the best ETL tool in 2026. It is best suited for teams that want low-code control, predictable flat-fee pricing, and pipelines they can own themselves, whether they have no engineers or just can't get engineering time when they need it. If you're evaluating ETL platforms, we've included links in the description so you can compare the tools and learn more about Integrate.io.